Jake was watching TV, and there was a program on about a hiking trail he always wanted to do. He knew it was a very long hike, and it would require a lot of perseverance, as the trail went on and on for miles. It was in the outback in Utah. He didn't want anyone to go with him on the hike, as he was looking for something to take his mind off his very stressful job as being a lawyer. Jake just wanted to relax for 2 weeks on the hike into the outback of Utah. On the day of his hike, he figured he would need snow gear, as the weather was so cold. Sure enough, when he was on his way, it began to snow. He picked the wrong time of the year, he told himself, but he proceeded to go through the trail. He was using his phone as a compass, but it didn't seem to help him much. He seemed to be getting nowhere. There was a huge snow blizzard arrived, and he tried to trek through the snow and find shelter. Eventually, he luckily came across a cave. He rested, hoping that he would get the energy to move out of this rut that he found himself in, trapped inside a cave in the middle of a wretched snow blizzard. He felt himself getting more and more disorientated. He felt like he could not even move with the numbing cold. He could feel the sting of the ice on his skin, and he felt he was going to die. But that survival instinct crept up in him and told him what he had to do. What he had to do to survive. He hoped the blizzard would pass, but unfortunately it went on for days and days. He had no problem with water, but he knew that if he didn't eat anything soon, he would eventually die. He was thankful of the snow he used for drinking water. He felt weak and looked down at his pants, knowing there would be a lot of meat on his leg. He knew what he had to do to survive, so he took a large knife from his bag and proceeded to cut parts of his leg off to eat. He died faster than he would have if he starved, as he bled to death in the freezing snow.